Might be able to cook in there. We're in the heart of a tropical island forest. We've only need the hand spear to hopefully catch something, but we have never been in tropical forest, so anything can bloody happen. I'm gonna make our way downstream a little bit more. Ooh, the rocks are so slippery.
Shit.
Cold, huh?
Yeah, looks like a crocodile.
I reckon over there in the deeper. There's a big one up there and there's a big one under there. Oh, almost. There's got to be some serious honey holes. Here, little prawny prawn prawn. We're getting hungry. Oh, big one.